ABB's comprehensive wind portfolio delivers complete power conversion solutions. From new installations to lifetime extension solutions that will breathe new life into turbine systems. Our highly flexible, scalable, and reliable low-voltage converters provide advanced grid following and grid forming capabilities. ABB's medium voltage converters are capable of reaching over 20 megawatts with maximum efficiency for exceptional performance in offshore applications. And our portfolio of converters and cabinets for doubly fed induction generators is a proven and optimized solution for cost-efficient power conversion. All our test benches replicate real operating conditions, guaranteeing reliable performance before deployment. And with digital services and predictive maintenance built in, we can reduce downtime and optimize your energy yield for decades to come. Discover how ABB's wind portfolio can elevate your energy conversion long-term.